With Sakrete U.S. cold patch, repairing potholes has never been easier or faster. Unlike other products on the market, U.S. cold patch is a permanent solution that is not messy and is non-toxic. Just pour. U.S. cold patch is not weather contingent and can be applied wet or dry. For holes deeper than 2 inches, apply in layers. Spread. U.S. cold patch requires no special tools, and since it is so quick, it's great for those high traffic areas. And compact. U.S. cold patch is simple and easy to use, and is made of 95% recycled materials. It cures through compaction, and so it's immediately ready for traffic. U.S. cold patch by Sakrete is available at Home Depot, as well as other retail stores and lumber yards throughout the U.S. Call or visit us online to find out where you can purchase U.S. cold patch.